Okay, we're going to repair this piece here for the neutral switch on a Torqueflite. Now this will work for any Torqueflite that has this. There's different ones for the early and the lates, so make sure you get the right one. I was going to drill the rivet, but I think this is too loose. It's just not going to work. I think it's loose enough that I can punch it out. So I went and got me a nut that fits up on here, because my Chrysler lever seal tool is not quite long enough, and I just want some support. I don't want to knock this off of there, so I'm going to put this on here. And I got me a punch here, and if this is too hard to come out, then I'll think of something else. Go. And this is a 3/32 punch snap on, and we got the deal from WIT. It's S12741-7. and Sonex is 22229-03, and you're going to get this, and it snaps on from this side. Make sure it's all the way up on there before you go putting the rivet in. There we go. Alright, then you got the rivet. It's going to come in from this side. And it looks awfully dang loose. Hopefully it'll tighten it up. I think we could get a bigger one in there. 3/16 is going to be too big, and that's the only ones I got. Yeah, it's way too big. So we're going to have to use the 1/8" one that they gave us, and I'm using the Matco HP2 rivet tool. It doesn't really matter. Use any one you want. Just make sure you put the 1/8" deal in there. Put your rivet all the way in. So we can take this off. I'm going to put our rivet in until it's flush. Put our tool on. Make sure you're holding it down flush.